So we're in the suburb of Brisbane in Mitchelton at a residential house where we've installed solar and batteries as part of the state government battery and loans program. 330 watt panels, there's 20 up on the roof, so it's a 6.6 kilowatt array. We've coupled those panels with microinverters. Microinverters are sitting behind the panels up on the roof to increase the performance. And we've also installed a Tesla Powerwall 2 at this site to maximise self-consumption, give some blackout protection and really enhance the system's capabilities. The brief for nearly all of our residential installations is about bill reduction. So it's about reducing the cost of electricity, the life cycle cost for the house. So solar does that dramatically, and then adding in a battery allows this customer to increase their self-consumption. Tesla is there to increase self-consumption for the property, provide some blackout protection, and also allow the homeowner to interact with their electricity a bit more. They can see their usage and see their performance. With every property we look at, the performance of the system is key, the longevity of the product is key. So all the components in this system have been chosen for their longevity in their market, their warranty, and their ability to provide ongoing service support and warranty if that ever arises in the future.